If you have 3 of these symptoms, your testosterone is probably tanked and your doctor won't tell you why. Look, I've coached men for more than 13 years and here's what drives me crazy. Guys will walk around feeling like garbage for years because their doctor says their testosterone is normal. But normal doesn't mean optimal. Normal means you're in the same range as every other exhausted guy your age. Today, I'm going to show you 7 warning signs your body is screaming for help. Signs that conventional doctors miss because they're not looking at the full picture. I've seen these patterns in hundreds of blood panels, and once you know what to look for, it becomes blatantly obvious. We'll go through each sign, I'll tell you exactly why it happens and what specific marker you can test to confirm it. Let's start with one that nobody talks about. Sign number 1, stubborn belly fat that won't shift no matter what you do. You're eating clean, you're training hard, but that ring of fat around your midsection won't move. Here's why. Low testosterone changes where your body stores fat. It's not just about calories anymore, it's about hormones. When your testosterone drops, your body starts storing fat like a woman, specifically around the hips and the belly. Even worse, that belly fat produces an enzyme called aromatase, which converts what little testosterone you have into estrogen. It's a vicious cycle. Low testosterone creates belly fat lowers testosterone even more. The marker you need to check is your testosterone to estradiol ratio. If it's below 10:1, this is exactly what's happening to you. Sign number 2, 3 p.m. hits like a truck. Every day, same story. You're decent in the morning after 2 or 3 coffees, but then around 2 or 3 p.m., you hit a wall. Coffee doesn't help anymore. It just frazzles you even more and you just want to crawl under your desk. This isn't normal tiredness. This is your cortisol and testosterone being completely out of sync. See, testosterone should peak in the morning and gradually decline. When it's low, your body compensates by jacking up cortisol, your stress hormone. By afternoon, you're running on pure adrenaline and then you crash. You need to think about getting your testosterone checked at 8 a.m. and then 2 p.m. on the same day. If the afternoon number is less than half the morning, your rhythm is shot. Sign number 3, your brain feels like mud. Can't focus, can't remember why you walked into a room, reading the same email 3 times and still not making sense of it. Testosterone isn't just about muscle, it's a major brain hormone. It affects dopamine production, which drives focus and motivation. When testosterone drops, your brain literally slows down. I've had guys tell me they thought they had early dementia. Turned out their testosterone was in the 200s. We fixed their hormones and suddenly they could think clearly again. If your free testosterone is below 10 pg/ml, brain fog is guaranteed. Sign number 4, everything irritates you. Your kids being loud makes you want to punch a wall. Traffic has you gripping the steering wheel until your knuckles are white. Your wife breathing too loud makes you snap. This isn't you being an angry person. This is one of the most common signs that a shift in biochemistry has taken place. And this can lead to a dangerously short fuse that can really affect how people see you. Low testosterone doesn't make you less aggressive like many people think. It actually makes you poorly aggressive. Instead of confident assertiveness, you get irritable and reactive. You're emotionally unstable because your hormones are unstable. A man with low testosterone is emotionally more fragile and significantly more reactive. Check your SHBG levels. When SHBG is high, it binds up your testosterone, leaving you with the mood regulation of a teenager. Sign number 5, you're soft everywhere. Not just losing muscle, your existing muscle feels soft too. No pump at the gym, no hardness even when you flex. Testosterone is the signal for your body to maintain muscle tissue. Without it, your body sees muscle as an expensive tissue it doesn't really need. You're not just getting smaller, you're losing muscle quality. The density goes, the strength goes. You become what we call skinny fat. Low muscle, high body fat percentage, even if the scale looks normal. If your testosterone is below 400 nanogram per deciliter, you're losing muscle every single day, even if you're training. Sign number 6, sleep doesn't fix anything. 8 hours of sleep, still waking up feeling like you've been hit by a bus. Here's what's happening inside the body. Testosterone is supposed to rebuild during your sleep. It triggers deep sleep phases where actual recovery happens. Without adequate testosterone, you might be unconscious for 8 hours, but you're not getting restorative sleep. So what that means is you're getting the quantity, but without the quality. If your morning testosterone tested before 9 a.m. is below 500 nanograms per deciliter, your sleep recovery is compromised and you need to pay attention. Sign number 7, you've lost your edge. This is the big one. Not just low sex drive, though that's part of it. I mean, you've lost your competitive edge, your hunger, that fire that made you want to build something, to achieve something, to be something. You're coasting, going through the motions, the voice that used to push you to be better, it's gone quiet. This isn't depression, though low testosterone can cause that too. This is your primal drive shutting down because your body thinks you're done reproducing, done competing, done mattering. When your free testosterone drops below 2% of your total testosterone, this psychological shutdown is almost inevitable. And it's one of the most common reasons why once powerful men decline into stagnancy. Here's what pisses me off. Most doctors will see these symptoms and prescribe antidepressants or tell you it's just aging. Or they'll say your testosterone of 350 is within normal range, but they're comparing you to sick populations. The normal range includes diabetic 70-year-olds. Is that your benchmark? Look, I've worked with hundreds of men who had 3, 4, even all 7 of these signs. Their doctors still said they were fine. We ran comprehensive blood panels, found the problems, and fixed them. Men like Martin, like Darren, like Dale, and thousands more. These men got their lives back. So if you've got 3 or more of these signs, you need comprehensive blood work, not just total testosterone, the full panel that actually shows you what's happening inside. I've created a free blood optimization blueprint that shows exactly which tests to demand, what the optimal ranges are, not just normal, and how to read your results like I did. Links in the description. It's the same framework I use with all of my Alpha 21 clients who pay thousands for this information. Your body is telling you something wrong. The question is, are you going to listen? Or are you going to accept feeling like garbage as your new normal? Get the blueprint, get tested, and get your life back. Stop guessing, start testing. My name is Dominic Wenner. Thank you for watching. And if you found this helpful, then please hit subscribe for more videos like this.